Coco and I, we're not worried about that at all. Why? Anong pinaka-the worst na pwedeng gawin ng isang committee chairman? Like for example, in this case, Committee on Justice. O yung chairman ayaw kumilos dun sa legislative agenda ng presidente o ng administrasyon. I'm going to be majority leader. I'll pull it out. There are ways of doing that in the rules. I can pull it out of her. I can pull it out of the committee. Take it on the floor. Ang daming paraan. Pwede. Ang daming paraan sa rules. We can ask for a committee hearing to be conducted without the chairman. We can also bring it to the floor to discuss it on the floor even without the chairman. So don't worry about that. Pag nakita natin hindi kumikilos na maayos ang chairman, the Senate has enough rules for the leadership to use so that we may be able to tackle any subject that is not being acted upon by any member of the Senate or any chairman of any committee. I'm not worried at all. Kung mag-obstructionist siya, it's easy to do that. Pull it out. 1. 2. Elect him or her out of the committee. Madali. Oo, madali. It's easy.